Welcome to Plow Voice. We are excited to highlight the range of features and capabilities our hosted voice system can provide to you and your colleagues. For users of Microsoft 365, Plow Voice is the simplest way to get the best of a direct dial business phone system without the hassle of actually having to set up and maintain one. Since Plow Voice is seamlessly integrated with Microsoft Teams, let's start with a user who's already using Microsoft 365 for collaboration and productivity. Let's pretend I am a procurement specialist for a healthcare company. I start my day by opening Outlook and the Microsoft Teams desktop app. Teams brings all of my purchasing project work together in one place, and it allows me to quickly communicate and collaborate with my colleagues, saving me time and increasing my productivity. I regularly need to make and receive calls to and from clients and vendors. Plow Voice within Microsoft Teams makes it easy for me to do all of this across all of my devices: desktop, laptop, smartphone, or Teams certified device, like an IP-based desktop phone. Within Teams, I have full voice compatibility. I can make a call, receive a call, see any missed calls, and check voicemails. In the main calls section, I can see the dial pad, my phone number, call history, and the speed dial section. I'm going to make a quick call to a vendor to remind her she needs to send me over the additional product quantity information so an order can be processed. The contact section is where I can see all of my company and external contacts. I can also see my call history as well as voicemails, and it looks like I have a new voicemail. When I click on the voicemail, I can listen to it or read the transcribed message. I can also listen to or simply read transcribed voicemails from any device in my Outlook inbox. As part of my role, I'm expecting a call from a vendor to discuss a purchase order. I can answer incoming calls on any of my devices, including directly from within the Teams desktop app. With Plow Voice, I get intelligent caller ID from phone numbers outside of my organization. I also have the ability to transfer a call to another colleague, or use the consult then transfer function. This puts my caller in a call park while I check with my colleague and either get the information I need or transfer her over. While on my way to my next meeting, I want to catch up quickly with one of our vendors, so I decide to use the Teams mobile app while on the go. By simply tapping on a contact, I can instantly call and get connected to my contact. Teams Mobile with voice allows me to work from any device, even on the go. One click calling in meetings. Another way I stay on top of my day is through Outlook. Joining an ad hoc call and scheduling meetings is made easy right through Outlook, saving me time and giving attendees the flexibility they need with the conferencing dial-in number in every meeting. Contacts in Outlook. From within Outlook, I can view all of my contacts. Microsoft 365 Business syncs information across all Office 365 apps. So, if I add a contact to my contacts in Outlook, it will also be available for use in Teams. Once I finish creating this contact, I can be sure that it will sync across all of my Microsoft 365 apps. Just like that, my contact syncs across Microsoft 365. The flexibility to work across Office apps allows me to work how I want, and it prevents me from having to context switch between apps.